There was a small fir tree who dreamed of growing up so that he could be a Christmas tree with the humans. But other old trees told him that it may not be very good as he thinks. He was pleased when some children came with their parents to choose a fir tree to decorate the living room. They brought him to living room and hung all the possible decorations. They also put thousands of small lights on the little tree. As Christmas was getting closer, everyone who came admired the little tree. The tree thought that other trees were wrong, and he lifted his branches a little higher that he could be admired more. Up till January, he was the prince of the living room. But then his needle started falling. Nobody bothered about the tree, nor to gather up the tiny needles that fell. One day, the family decided to keep him in the cold of the cellar. The tiny tree was very sad all the more. But later, it was replanted on the earth to bring him back to the living room every year during the Christmas season. He understood that he was kept into the cellar to keep him cool and healthy. The tiny tree was very happy again. But later, it was replanted on the earth to bring him back to the living room every year during the Christmas season. He understood that he was kept into the cellar to keep him cool and healthy. The tiny tree was very happy again. Dear friends, Christmas without a Christmas tree is incoherent. The fragrance and essence of Christmas tree have been an integral part of the celebration, as well as of the family unit since the time immemorial. The celebrations usually begin with the tree's selection and carry on with the decoration till the day of Christ, when all the festivities took place in front of this very tree. Gifts are placed under the tree as family and friends gather around to celebrate the birth of Christ. The Christmas tree is the symbol of the Christmas season. They played a symbolic part in the Christmas celebrations because they stayed green and alive when other plants were dead and bare during winter. They represent everlasting life and hope for the return of spring. When we are in the third week of Advent, shall we then select an evergreen tree to decorate our living room and start decorating? But our decorations should not be only with the colorful ribbons, balls, stars, and sparkling lights. Let our Christmas balls, ribbons, stars, lights, and decorations be attached with a small kind of charity, prayer, sacrifices, and pious activities we do to welcome Jesus in our hearts and homes. Then by the day of Christmas, your tree will be well decorated and shining, just like the small fir tree. During Advent, everyone who comes home will also be inspired and attracted with our Christmas tree, getting decorations added day by day. It's not only the Christmas tree that will be admired by all, but the little children at home and their parents who have prepared a warm welcoming home for baby Jesus. Thank you.